Hello guys, so August 25, what happened in history today? Many important things are not there. It's like I think 4-5 events only, that too international, not Indian. So we'll quickly see this picture. You would have seen, most of you would have seen it is one is Neil Armstrong and one is this Buzz Aldrin, and one third person is there. These are the people who first went to the moon. Okay, you study only Neil Armstrong, but there are other people also who set foot on the moon, and it is still debatable now also because of certain issues. 1969, how could you have such a clear camera videos, and many things are there, many doubts are there, and after that they never could go one more time, that is also there. So like that, many doubts are there. Okay, I think 69, 70 and all, they have reported that many people went to moon, but everything is still even now in doubt because no other country has been able to achieve it. Even Russia claims at that time, because of their Cold War, that somebody has gone. Okay, up to space people go, outer space, but going to the moon exactly, that is still debatable. So this person Neil Armstrong died today, meaning August 25. He died very recently. So that is the importance of today. Okay, so space event you can tell, global event you can tell, and then more things I'll show you. Before that, I hope you are watching all the editorials. Okay, daily editorials are like your free mains and prelims coaching. You don't need special GS1, GS2, GS3 classes. UPSC is not asking you static questions anymore. They are asking you things which are in the news. If you analyze the previous year questions, you will understand. Basic static is only, I think, ethics, certain static portion is there, GS4. Remaining GS1, 2, 3 is full dynamic. Okay, they are asking you schemes, they are asking you events, they are asking you technological advancements. Everything is news. So please watch this thing. It's a complete package of free class. If you miss editorials thinking it is just newspaper, you are losing out in the race. Okay, your competitors who are watching it, they are going to pass and you will fail. So this with full confidence I can tell, because I know the UPSC papers and I know what I am teaching you. So please take it seriously. Last 1 week was excellent editorials. So please make it a habit of watching it daily. Okay, night I am uploading. If night you cannot watch, the next day also you can watch. It's completely available free in the YouTube. You can watch anytime. It's not live I am doing, it is recorded thing. So do it, watch it anytime you want. Okay, so please take it seriously. Only then you will be able to clear the exam. Okay, now the importance again. Okay, one is the 2012 on this date, NASA's Voyager 1. Okay, Voyager 1 is very important because it is the first spacecraft to enter interstellar space, meaning it's like outside our solar system, you can tell. It's an outer space kind of thing. So there it was launched, not now, it was launched in 1977 September 5, and it left our heliosphere and the part of the space that is influenced by our sun, okay, the solar system. And in February 1990, the spacecraft took the first overview picture of the solar system in totality. Okay, and it is the most distant man-made object in space. Voyager 1 is there, and now Voyager 2 is also there. So these are the things which went the farthest and took a complete photo of the full solar system. That is why this Voyager 1, Voyager 2, NASA's missions are very important. And August 25 is the day on 2012 when it got that thing. Okay, reached that place. And again, if you see, US astronaut Neil Armstrong, I told you, died. He was the first person to set foot on the moon. And now 1825 is like when Uruguay declared independence from Brazilian Empire in South American continent. The Brazilian Empire used to be there. Then only it broke into two, Brazil and Uruguay. You should go and see South American map. It's very interesting. I've already taught you in one of the episode. Brazil touches almost every country. That much big it is. Brazil, like equator also passes, Tropic of Capricorn also passes. It is a big country in the southern hemisphere, biggest country you can tell in the southern hemisphere, and it is touching all the other countries of South America. Only two countries, I think the extreme, maybe Ecuador will be there, and the Chile, two countries will be there in the leftmost. They are not touching Brazil. Remaining everything is touching Brazil. That much big the size of Brazil is. Okay, the size and shape is like that. Okay, so that from that kingdom empire, Uruguay declared its independence on August 25, 1825. Then on 1530, this person, okay, the Prince of Moscow or Russia, which they call Tsar, Tsar. Tsar is the king or prince of Russia in those days. So that person, Ivan IV the Terrible, Ivan IV was known for multiple reasons in the history. That again in world history will teach you. So Ivan IV, who's called Ivan IV the Terrible, even movies have come. His birth date is on August 25, 1530. Okay, so as I told, it's a terrible day. There is no much important things with respect to India or United Nations standard days and all I couldn't find. So this is the importance of August 25. Okay. So again, if you want to study unlimited current affairs and static part and everything, we have compact PDF packages, soft copy PDF, which you will get in your email regularly as per a timetable. So please come and WhatsApp me. There is individual packs, there is combo packs. please enroll this. Okay, this thing along with our daily videos is sufficient for you to clear UPSC. Okay, extra studies you have to do is your optionals. Okay, because optionals we don't cover as of now, which again I'm planning by 2025 batches. We will try to put paid courses for optional video classes also. So we are trying everything to make it like your UPSC journey smooth and sitting at home and studying. Just take this seriously once and start watching, start looking at our test and all. You will understand your 1 year of dedication to Vysh IAS will change your UPSC journey in a positive way. Okay, so come and contact me. We will discuss more on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is given here. 2024 batch is still going on. Please enroll fast. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.